What's something people don't know about tracking their finances? It doesn't have to be a headache. Imagine this. It's the end of the month, and you've got to figure out how much you saved. You pull out your spreadsheets, log into multiple bank accounts, and before you know it, you're drowning in numbers. Sounds familiar? DeepPocket Pro is here to rescue you. This app brings all your bank accounts together, giving you a clear view of your monthly savings with just one click. No more manual tracking, no more errors, and definitely no more idle money sitting in your account. DeepPocket Pro helps you spot unnecessary expenses and shows you how to make the most of your savings. Whether you're a business owner, an investor, or just trying to manage your personal finances, this app is your new best friend. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to effortless savings. Download DeepPocket Pro today and take control of your financial future. It's time to make every rupee count.